When you are ready to start your bridge, start by making copies of components and then bringing the copies over to the build area. That way you will always have at least one of each component. I would recommend starting with the ends of the bridges, the roadway, to get started. I'm going to take a double popsicle stick and make a copy and bring the copy over to the build area. I then need to rotate the copy to line it up. Once I've lined it up on this side, I can make a copy of this popsicle stick and bring it over to the other side. Now I can make a copy of the triangle component, and you want to make sure it overlaps with the other popsicle stick because you will be gluing these together. Okay, then I can continue to make overlapping copies by clicking and dragging until there's enough.